Hello everyone, this is Greg Folks with GEFNET, and I'm going live today to talk about my new blog post that I just made. And I thought it'd be nice to go down Lake Road where the fall foliage is coming out and the sun is setting, and so that's the plan for this live video today. So I know that people get in here, and I'll start it here in a minute, but enjoy the scenery, and we're gonna take a trip down Lake Road and around Lake Paradise, and then I'll talk to you about how to choose a computer repair specialist, which is the title of my latest blog post that you can see at GEFNET.com. And for those just tuning in, I'm Greg Folks of GEFNET, aka the Geek of Mattoon. And we are traveling down Lake Road in Mattoon, Illinois right now. So basically what I wanted to talk about today was how to choose your computer repair specialist. Now, I'm obviously driving, so I'll respond to any comments and questions after the live video ends. There are a few choices for techs and places to get your computer repaired in the area. But what place do you choose? Do you go to the national chain or the big box store? Or do you go to the local guy like me? And your decision should be based on these following factors. What device do you need repaired? Is it a laptop? Is it a desktop computer? Is it a mobile phone or a tablet? And you should pick the person that is specialized in the area of the device that you need repaired. Second, you want to talk about the person or the company's experience in repairing these devices. Are they trained and certified in this type of repair? Have they done many successful repairs in the past? Now, training and certification isn't always the deciding factor, because a lot of it comes down to skill and experience. Training and certification is nice, but even if someone doesn't got the training and certification, but they got the skills and experience, it's still, if you're comfortable with the person, is acceptable. Next issue that you want to think about is price. Now, you don't want to pay an arm and a leg to get your device repaired. I mean, if your device costs $300, or average price for low-end market laptop, well, you don't want to spend $350 or $400 for the repair. So that wouldn't make a lot of feasible sense. So when you're looking at who to go to repair the device, check their price and check the local competitor's price. Shop around. Because an average computer repair service should be between $60 to $80 an hour. Be a flat rate option in there, depending on the type of business. But if the range is any more higher or lower than that, you might want to keep looking around, because you don't want to pay too little for service, because the old saying, you get what you paid for, comes into play. But you also don't want to be price gouged and pay too much for the service. There are plenty of people that will do the service that you need for the price that fits within your budget. And lastly, it also comes down to, are you comfortable with the business or the person that you are dealing with? I mean, if you don't vibe with the person, or you're not comfortable with the person, you're not going to hand over your computer to them, because the computer is a personal and private thing. So it comes down to, do you trust this person to repair your computer and to handle your personal data or your personal information and so forth? So those are the main deciding factors when it comes to choosing your computer repair specialist. Excuse me. But when it comes right down to it, you just want to pick the one that fits your needs. Okay, because I know a lot of different computer repair techs in the area, and just as with any business, some are better than others. I may not be everyone's cup of tea, and that's okay. And the next guy may do something better than I can. I'm not saying that's not possible. And if that's the case, I would tell you. And that's a important factor to consider. Does your computer repair person have your best interest in mind, or are they just looking for your money? When they have your best interest in mind, they are going to do what's best for you and not for their bottom line. That's one big deciding factor. But basically, that is what I have to say about how to choose your computer repair specialists. And if you have any other questions or comments or anything about this information, feel free to ask. I am Greg Folks, and I run GEFNET Computer Internet Sales and Service in Mattoon, Illinois. If you'd like to get more information about me, you can find my website at GEFNET.com. That's GEFNET.com. And as for that, we'll just enjoy the rest of the scenery here. The sun is setting and we're traveling around Lake Paradise. It's a beautiful area here, great for fall foliage. But if you want to learn more about my blog post and to read the latest blog post on how to choose your specialist, just go to the website and click on blog in the menu and you'll see the latest post right there. Okay? So this is Greg, folks, the Geek of Mattoon. And if I can be of any service to you, please let me know. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this trip around Lake Paradise. And we'll see you next time.